How to create account on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the simple steps to create a Roblox account. Whether you are interested in making games or diving into the incredible world of Roblox gameplay, the first step is having your very own account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So to create a Roblox account, go to the official website of Roblox. And once you are inside the website, you will see the login button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, you can simply click on that and sign up with your account. But if you are new to Roblox, here is where you begin. Start by selecting your birthday from the drop-down menus. Next, choose a unique username, and this is how other players will see you. So get creative on that. And once you're done with that, create a strong password. Make it memorable but secure. You can use a suggested password, but I recommend coming up with the one you will remember, especially if you will log in from the multiple device like your phone, tablet, or Xbox. And once you're done with that, select your gender. And once you have selected your gender, you can simply click on sign up button. And if you are on personal computer, consider saving your password in your browser for easier logins. Once you have signed up, you will be logged into your new account immediately. And now that you have an account, it's time to customize your profile. Head to the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. And here you can change your display name or look at your username. You can update your password if needed. You can set language preferences or switch between light and dark themes. And you can even connect your social media accounts to enhance your Roblox experience. And that's all it takes to create a Roblox account. Now you are ready to explore games, connect with your friends, and start building your own creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.